Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over what to do if you got scammed on PayPal. So unfortunately, it just recently happened to me. And so what I wanted to do was create some sort of mind map to help others just in case they do get scammed on PayPal as well. So let's actually go ahead and get started by first starting off with reporting the scam, okay? So first what you want to do is report the scam. So you can report the transaction in your PayPal account so that the merchant, buyer, or seller who actually scammed you has some sort of flag obtained onto their account. Next, you could actually go to the resolution center to file a dispute. Now, PayPal is actually really good with helping with scams as long as you use purchase by buyers or basically purchasing power buyer. So PayPal is actually really good when it comes to purchase protection. So every time you make a purchase on PayPal, you do want to make sure that you purchase as goods and services because PayPal has a policy regarding purchase protection. Now, next, what you want to do after going to the resolution center to file a dispute is to contact PayPal customer support for assistance. See if there's a way to maybe actually cancel your transaction or maybe actually go ahead and get that account taken down. But afterwards, after you report the scam, it is important that you next change your password because at this point, what I'm thinking is that there's some sort of compromise actions going on with your account. So it would just be in your best interest to actually change your PayPal password. So update your PayPal password immediately and also make sure that you enable two-factor authentication. Okay, so two-step authentication with your phone, email, or maybe like a two-step authenticator, like a physical hard drive device. Make sure you change your password. Next, you want to monitor your account. So from this point moving forward, you do want to make sure that you can check your PayPal account for any unauthorized activity. So make sure that you check future transactions and also take a look at your past transactions. Keep an eye on any linked bank accounts or credit cards that aren't yours. So at this point, we're just making sure that you are safe as far as after you get scammed on PayPal. Now next, we already discussed filing a claim, but over here, you essentially just want to follow up with your dispute on PayPal. Now, PayPal does a pretty decent job at replying to your claims as soon as you actually file one, but when you do file your claim, you want to make sure that you provide all necessary evidence, which includes transaction details, communication, etc. with PayPal. Now, the next step after here is to contact your bank. So try to report the scam to your bank or credit card issuer and also request a chargeback if applicable. If PayPal's purchase protection policy doesn't apply, your next line of defense is your bank. So if you pay through credit card, Chase, American Express, those banks are really good at usually siding with you when it comes to you getting scammed. So in that case, they would be able to issue a chargeback if applicable. Now, lastly, you do just want to make sure that you stay vigilant. Avoid clicking on any suspicious links or emails. At this point, you're kind of like a victim, so you don't know if the other individual is now planning to kind of, scam you again just because you've been scammed once. So at this case, you just have to be more cautious and more aware to avoid and click on any suspicious links or emails. And any future phishing attempts on PayPal, just make sure to report it. And at this point, it's happened to me, all right, as far as getting scammed on PayPal goes. It's very important that you learn from the lesson as far as like how you got scammed. How did you meet this person? What transaction was taking place? Learn how to spot common online scams afterwards in order to ensure your safety as a user on PayPal or just online transactions in general. So this is a general overview. I'll go ahead and actually zoom out so you could actually read everything in one go. But again, if you get scammed on PayPal, report the scam, change your password, make sure to continue to monitor your account, follow up with the claim that you filed just because it's going to be a long, lengthy process to see if you can get issued back your money. Contact your bank as a secondary defense in case PayPal's purchase protection power doesn't cover you. And lastly, stay vigilant. Okay, avoid clicking on suspicious links or emails and also report phishing attempts to PayPal. This is what you should do if you get scammed on PayPal. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. If you have any concerns or any suggestions on what else to do if you get scammed on PayPal, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.